If you follow the aviation industry, the rotorcraft industry, it doesn't get any more exciting than today. You're going to see the unofficial world record speed holder, essentially the world's fastest helicopter. So I'm very excited to introduce you to the X2. We gave the team 4 very simple goals. Fly 250 knots. Do it with 1 pilot. Fly at 250 knots with low vibration. In the tradition, demonstrate a unique acoustic signature, right? Meaning noise. Be low noise. We've demonstrated 250 knots, low pilot workload, low vibration, a very unique and low acoustic signature that's tailorable by turning the pusher propeller on and off. And technologies, fly-by-wire flight controls, one of the enablers for the low pilot workload. Very rigid, all-composite main rotor blades. These X2 blades are solid like a wing.
And Bill, you all set to get spanked?
Yeah, bring it on.
All right. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
About
Okay, there's
3,000 feet.
40, 150.